Hi there, I am Trent Whalen. The site I picked is called Juicy Geography. It's .co.uk, so it is English, but nevertheless relevant. And it's a very open-ended tools resource, so you can just click on resources and go at pretty much everything. As it claims, the aim of Juicy Geography is to share some free ideas and resources put on by a British teacher. Now, clicking on the resource page, we only have one little animation here, or a couple of them, about river processes, which is fascinating. Now, let's go back and scroll through some more resources. We have things like make an earthquake table, using this for the students would be really helpful for those very kinesthetic learners. Very cheaply made to help them understand what'll happen, and why, or actually where, people with earthquakes experience. There's also a pretty fascinating one called Coastal Kung Fu that utilizes the Kung Fu Panda movie to teach plate tectonics. Let's skip through. So it is quite fascinating. You could use that bit in class to figure out where everything is at, which types of plate tectonics are where, and so on. We have games, which sounds actually really fun. So, for instance, a settlement game could teach people about settlements and such. For quizzes, very handy. I remember I had a great math teacher who did something very similar. It really helped me to learn without going to a textbook or anything. We have lesson plans for teachers or even people to learn. We also have some videos. There we have things about so many things. Just lesson plans, varied stuff. Wait for that. And here it is opened up. It's talking a little bit about the tsunami disaster. It has very varied resources on many fronts, activities and such that pertain to a more progressive style, things that are sort of useful, how you will use things. We have people using resources from Juicy Geography here. Looks like they're having a whole lot of fun. And so it's just a very open-ended tool for whoever would like to use it, students and teachers alike. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.